Hi, if you want to learn how to cook gluten-free banana bread, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Red, the Cooking Dad. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Don't you hate it when in the beginning of the week you have a banana that looks like this, but then at the end of the week it looks like this? So what you're gonna do with it? Well, you can make it as a banana bread. And if you want to learn also how to make gluten-free banana bread, then let's begin. First, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. 2.5 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and just mix. Next is we're gonna mash 3 ripe bananas. Then we add 1/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup whole milk, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. And then mix. Preheat the oven for 350 degrees, and then we're gonna bake it for 45 minutes.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon!